Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Sikho Sikhao Learning, Sharing and Growing Together. This is the tutorial number 4 of the Angular series, and in this tutorial number 4 we'll be learning the software required to run your applications. So let's start. It will be a small video. So let's start. So basically to run your application, that Angular application, at least you need this more softwares to be installed in your system. So first one is Node.js. Okay, so Node.js to be installed to run your um, Angular application. So this is the node.js.org is the URL where you can go and you can download the Node.js, and when you will be installing the Node.js, automatically your npm will get installed into your system. To verify whether the Node.js has been installed or not, you just go and on the command prompt, and in the command prompt you can type node space hyphen version, so it will give you the version of the Node.js. Same way you can check for the npm also. So simply go and type npm space hyphen version, so it will give you the npm version as well as, and another one is Angular CLI. So this is the command line interface where you have to install the Angular CLI to get the uh, uh, features, how to create a component, how to create services, routings, modules, and all those things. So predefined your commands are there. To run the command also, you need to execute the command. So all those things are there in the Angular CLI, and you can install this via this command npm install hyphen g at the rate angular slash CLI. G is for the global. If you don't want to install globally, then you can remove that. Okay, and if you want to install it global, then you have to type hyphen g, and at the end you can see CLI. So up, if you want to install the particular version of the Angular CLI, then you can type npm install hyphen g at the rate angular slash CLI at the rate that particular version. Okay, so that way you can install the Angular, and you can um, execute the commands which are built here. Okay, the fourth one is code editor. So to write the code and all those things, that you need a kind of editor. So for this Visual Studio Code, I will recommended the Visual Studio Code to mm, develop your application. It's a very good interface. You can write there and you can execute the code. Apart of that, we have WebStorm, Sublime Text are also there, that you can use that. And to execute your code in a browser, how it is reflecting in the UI. So for that you need a web browser, and the web browsers are like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox. All these are the browsers where you can test your applications, as well as other browsers are also there. I have not mentioned here, but you can check on in those browser also. Okay, so this is the video number 4, and hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, then please press the bell icon and subscribe the channel to get more update on the Angular tutorial, as well as the other technologies. Thank you.